The last step of designing a learning system is the final design. The final design is divided into the four module of a program. First module is performance measure. Performance. First module is performance. You can say system, performance system, and next module is critic. Another module is generalizer, and the last module is experiment generator. How these four modules will be interconnected with each other. This performance system will be connected to the critic, and this critic will be connected to generalizer. Then it will be connected to experiment generator, and experiment generator is connected to the performance system. So the performance system must solve the given performance task. Whatever the task is given to the system, it will solve that task. In the checkers playing problem or program, the task is to choose the next best possible move from the current board state. So for this, we have selected the target function. In the previous examples, we have discussed all these terms in detail. So we have discussed for selecting the further move, there is a target function and the evaluation function v bar, target function v, and further the next move is determined by the approximated or estimated function v, that is the evaluation function. So it provides the solution trace, what will be the further best solution, and game history also. Okay, so the performance system will solve the performance of the task. And next is the critic. Critic will take this solution trace or history as an input, and it will generate or it will produce the set of training examples. Okay, it will produce the set of training examples. How it will produce the training examples, as in checkers playing problem, we have discussed certain training examples. These are B1, we train B1 ordered pair of the form. We already discussed in the previous lecture. Okay, and in the same way, there can be so many training examples. B2, we train B2, and so on. So this is based on the rule of the ordered pair. What will be the form? What was the formula of for this ordered pair? B, board state, and the V train of B. And this generalizer will take this training example as an input, and it will generate an hypothesis as an output. It will produce hypothesis as a output. In our example, it generalizes the corresponding moves, or it approximate the successive moves by applying the linear function, by arranging them linearly. So LMS, least mean square algorithm, is used for this, and the output hypothesis is we approximated we described by the weights. We were adjusting the weight W0 to W6. All this we have discussed in the previous classes, and now the experiment generator will take this hypothesis, current hypothesis, as an input, and it produces the new problem as a output. This experiment generator will take this generalization, the hypothesis, current hypothesis produced by the generalizer as an input, and it will produce the initial Bode state for the new problem, and this will be performed by the performance system as a act as a performance for the performance system as a input. So this is all about the final design, how the system will work in different modules. Till here we have covered all the points of designing a learning problem, designing a learning system.